Okay, do you want to help me? Yes, it's all fun and smiles till a stay at home mom falls ill, all the work that falls behind. But today I'm thanking God because I'm not the one who is sick. I know that's like, how can you thank God that your son is sick? But I'm grateful I'm here to take care of them. So I'm taking you through my day, slow but meaningful day as a stay at home mom with a sick child. Let's go. So we're making breakfast right now with my beautiful I do it by myself team. Let's see how it will go. It can be chaos, it can be in between, it depends.
Wait. Wet ingredients and dry ingredients.
Right, so these are the, we
Oh,
have to make our wet
try the
ingredients and then
pork.
dry ingredients and then we put them together.
I drink it.
And our wet ingredients is what? Almond milk that we made.
Yeah.
And then we have one egg.
1 egg.
We have maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
What else? I'm forgetting something. I think that's all.
Vanilla.
Vanilla, thanks. And then here,
We have
almond
flour.
flour,
Our flour.
sea salt, and baking soda.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Almost done.
Okay, almost done. Okay, that's enough. Okay, Judah. Good job. Okay, ready, go. Did you know you can make your own nut milk at home? Any nut milk that you fancy, you can make it at home. Do you hear Judah breathing through his mouth? Oh, my son, he suffered. Okay,
Perfect. I finished it all.
My daughter was judging me that I burnt the food. I'm like, it's not burnt. It needs to really cook for it to cook inside. Outside time to get some sun to help us to heal. You know, we function on a lot of sun. So, I'm just really happy that the mucus is coming out. And then the weather is funny. It's not really cold. We're supposed to be in the cold weather, but it's not cold. It's just all over the place, and I think that even make detoxing hard. But it is beautiful. It feels good. It's perfect for hiking. We were supposed to be on a hike today with our homeschool group, but here we are, missing out. So we're gonna take advantage of the situation to do some grooming, hair day, clip their nails and all that. I normally just use aloe vera. I blend it and keep in the fridge with some Colada Silver to keep it going, and that's what I use for detangling, and I use as well to lock in moisture when I put in other oils. You have to keep the snacks coming. Raising entitled kids, that's how you do it. So whenever I'm setting to do something with easy, I make sure that there are things around that Judah can also get into. So if it's homeschooling on anything, he has snacks, he has his radio, keyboard, anything he can fidget with and play. Of course, he'll still come and bother us, but it's enough for him to wander around, and after some time he'll just go away and do something on his own. Today he's not feeling well. That means that he's really gonna stay close, and he won't be so much busy bothering us or trying to get into what we are doing, but it's all normal. They want to do what you do, they want to be in whatever you are doing.
See.
Don't take it as them being bad or anything. So he will pick stuff that he wants you to help him with as well.
Yes.
Like if he wants you to read for him and things like that, he will go get it, which I love. I like them to go and get things that they're interested in instead of me saying do this, do that. This nose sucker is really good. The way I know to suck the nose is to use the mouth, but you don't really get a lot out, and it's sometimes you can be scared that you are doing too much. It's also if you're a sensory person, it's like disgusting to you. So this really helps. Just make sure that you're not forcing the nose when you put it inside like all the way. You have to just at the end of the nose, not in, and then move it around in circles, and you get a lot of the gunk out. It's the eucalyptus I just put. It's the one that is causing him to get all the junk out. It's very effective for getting stuff out. So when the place is open like this, I'll just put it because there's enough ventilation. But if it's in their bedroom, I don't put it. And this is the radiator, because there are two types. So the radiator, you can use it. People still say not to use it if the child is below 6 years. There's a whole lot of you can go research for yourself. Let me go get rid of this. So when the mucus is thick like this, I know for sure that there's an infection going on. If it's thick and it's opaque, I know for sure. And if there's any fever, if it's clear, it's just like you're done, you just detoxing stuff. But if it's like this, I know there is an infection present, and I have to be hands-on. And I have to watch him to make sure that it doesn't get worse. People wonder. What? Easy, what is it? Yeah, there's nothing in there. Let him just put his hand. Easy. Oh, that's his food, remember? Why are you like that? You ate the whole thing. He's just putting that tiny piece. Yeah, it's gonna make you sick. That's why I didn't serve you that. I put it in your plate, but I knew you wouldn't eat it, and you didn't. He's just because you're eating it, it makes him wanna also like try it. I know he doesn't really wanna eat it, and that's his food that I served that he didn't eat, and he gave it to you. Now he's coming back to just pick the pieces, and it's because he's getting attracted the way you are eating. It's kind of like making him feel like eating as well. So you just let him try because you already finished it. Okay, Izzy?
I don't want to consummate.
You want to learn the continents?
Yes. That's week 1.
I have to paste these things in the house.
Cycle.
That's the one thing that I'm lacking in my homeschool, like decor.
Week 1.
You wanna do it? Okay. This is not science. Oh, you wanna talk about science?
My friend just said cycle 1 week.
Cycle 2.
I was talking. But when I was 4, we did North America. That was 1. when I was 4. Where's that? Where's that? That's what mommy and daddy were married. Oh.
Yeah, that's why we're married. That's South Africa.
That's true. Who trade? Trade! It's not changing. That!
What is it?
He said that it was a trade.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know. Where's
So you don't know what it is.
Where's
And so why you tell him it's not a trade? He's saying what it is. It's either you have an opinion of what it is and then you say it, but you can't just say no when you don't know the answer. Then if you don't know too, you just keep quiet and say, I need to find out.
Where's that?
What?
Where's that?
I can't really see clearly.
Where's that?
So Isabel later on came to tell me that I was too loud and I had to say sorry, and I told her I'll do better next time. I also asked her how she felt and why she didn't want the brother to eat the crumbs, and she explained. Well, it made sense if I put myself in a 5-year-old shoe. Izzy is asking for a break, and Judah seems to be getting worse. Like he's breathing.
Where I'm going to be. What I'm going to be. I want to grow up and be married with my friends or anything.
I want to make a quick cough syrup for him and also give him something to
But why
nebulize.
can't said? Because you got X. You are still little. But I saw it in the picture. My cousin was there. Why I will be in there and not be married and be my mom is married. There will be not a chance again. God actually can't. If I slip and fall, I say hello to a friend. I talk about God around the head. God hear me when I can. I do what God says me to stand. When I'm dancing to God and I'm doing ballet, isn't God even to use ballet when I'm doing ballet? No, because he doesn't like ballet, he said. But he likes you dancing so beautifully. But this is not an act. Don't say God doesn't like princess.
Yep, that's my daughter. She reads, talks, dance all day long.
Wait.
What is it?
I'm waiting for Daddy.
Daddy will be back home soon. What I'm gonna make? That's sage. Put it back.
Where I'm going to be.
Judah is getting worse. He's nebulizing some silver right now, and I'm gonna make the cough syrup. The cough syrup is just 2 bay leaves, and I'm going to use sage as well, just the size of my palm. Herbs are really potent, so if you're making a cough syrup for your child from herbs, do not say you're going to make it concentrated so it works fast. Their liver is going to be impacted, so I'm going to use 2 cups of water. You can use Manuka honey or your local honey. Manuka honey is pretty expensive. Your local honey is equally good. but make sure it's local. That's what will be really effective. But for what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to use the sugar that we have at home. The sugar that we use is vanilla sugar. So that's the sage, the size that I'm going to use. I'm using my palm so you can have an idea how much. This is the sugar we use at home. It's the vanilla sugar. They call it. This one is just vanilla. It's raw, unprocessed or less processed because obviously it has been processed a bit. But this one was suggested to me from another lady. She said back home when they are sick they'll put this in water for their throat. And she said you can even get the raw one, hard rock, and blend it to make it the way you want. And so what I'm doing right now is just boiling it for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then once it's boiled, I'm just gonna keep it closed just for it to steep a bit. And then I will add my sugar and stir. And then I will keep some in the fridge. There's Judah. He's feeling really uncomfortable. He didn't even want to nibblize. I gave him some breast milk. So let's see how he does. So I'm adding my sugar here, and then I'm going to let it steep a little, and that should be good. Woohoo! That is here. Honey, did you tell Izzy you coming early? Because he kept asking, and I was like, Daddy will be here around 4. Did you tell her? Oh, the wonder. He was asking me the time. Over and over. Judah is sleeping. He's not feeling good. Hug my husband. I didn't do it yesterday.
How was this news?
It's still congested, but it's been flowing, so I'm happy about that. Like, it's not like nothing is coming up, but it's still, there's a lot of gunk in there.
Daddy.
I think it's that camp food we went to eat.
Yeah. What is that?
Totally. Isabel wanted pancakes, so we made pancakes today.
Pancake.
Okay.
Pineapple.
Huh?
Pineapple.
Pineapple juice. Okay, I'll make pineapple juice. The house is still a mess. It feels like I did nothing. Chris was home by 2:30, and this was like a surprise. I don't like surprises, but we're excited for him to be home. Once he, I grabbed this plant. Chris keeps teasing me that I'm always going to get plants, bring them home just to kill them. I'm going to surprise him. So it's dinner time. I'm gonna make these beans that I sprouted. And then I think they'll eat it with whatever. So that's enough. Judah is hot. It's hot. So it's just salmon, beans, stew. Some will eat with rice, some will eat with plantain. I'm done for the day. Isabel is practicing her handwriting.
The next day.
Oh, bye bye. He's feeling much better. He slept better, so I slept much better as well. They are making a rocket ship here.
Why?
I just felt I should come and sign out.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because you guys wanted a rocket ship.
What's that?
Rocket ship. So I just said I should come and sign out. And do you want to sign up?
Hey, Mommy.
Just come and say bye-bye. Hi! Boring. 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 Okay, do you want to help me sign out?
Yeah.
You broken my teeth with this your rocket ship. Oh. We finally finished the hair. 2 days just to do this.